Welcome to The Gadget. Today, we're excited to bring you 10 incredible inventions that every garage needs. These innovative tools and gadgets will make any DIY project a breeze and are guaranteed to make your time in the garage more efficient, more organized, and more enjoyable. From clever storage solutions to cutting-edge power tools, these are the must-have items that no garage should be without. So, grab your toolkit and let's get started on discovering the top 10 inventions for the garage you need to see. Hello everyone, welcome to The Gadget. And in this video, we will show you the top 10 inventions every garage must have. But before we begin, we would like you guys to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell icon so you do not miss out on amazing and entertaining content. Number 1. The AHCON DSL 3500 Double Scissor Lift. The AHCON DSL 3500 is a game changer for workshop owners who need to lift heavy loads. With its impressive lifting capacity of 3,500 kilograms and ability to lift directly from the floor, this scissor lift is perfect for electric cars, SUVs, and other heavy vehicles. What sets the AHCON 3500 DSL apart is its innovative construction, which allows for variable distance between the scissors, making it suitable for a range of vehicle types. Plus, its plug-and-play design and quick couplings make installation a breeze, while its streamlined design and easy maintenance make it a top choice for quality-conscious customers. With a lifting height of 1,950 millimeters, platform length of 1,520 to 2,050 millimeters, platform width of 640 millimeters, and adjustable total width of 1,280 millimeters to 3,000 millimeters, the AHCON DSL 3500 has everything you need to get the job done safely and efficiently. Number 2. The BlueCave Storage System. Introducing BlueCave, the ultimate storage solution for anyone struggling with low SNES. Lots of stuff, not enough space. This innovative system starts with a wall-mounted rail that can hold 1 to 4 toolboxes, each featuring a clear hinged lid and long carrying handle that folds down when not in use. These cabinets can be easily attached and removed via a French cleat-like mechanism, and a shelf with drawers and mounting bracket can be added underneath. For extra containment, you can add a hood with gas struts and a lock, and even install the entire setup in a van or truck without worrying about dislodgement during transport. The BlueCave system is completely modular and reconfigurable, allowing you to customize it to your specific needs. You can add single or double height drawers with dividers, and even upgrade your cabinets with a power module for a removable work light, retractable power cable, and removable 4-outlet power strip. There's even an audio module with a 6-watt speaker, built-in FM radio, MP3 connectivity, and iPod/iPhone dock. Make your workspace neater and your work easier with BlueCave. Number 3. The WDT250 Water Drain Cleaning Tool. The WDT250 cleaning device is specifically designed for cleaning the water drains on sunroofs. These drains can be clogged with leaves, dirt, and other residues, which can cause water damage to vehicles. The WDT250 makes it easy to remove this soiling and keep the drains clear, ensuring that water flows properly and preventing potential damage. One of the standout features of the WDT250 is its compatibility with any standard cordless screwdriver. This means you can use the drive of your choice, making it a versatile and convenient tool to have in your arsenal. The tool itself consists of a wire holder with a closing lid for easy adaptation for the cordless drill, and a special flocked cleaning shaft for efficient and effective cleaning. The WDT250 also boasts flexibility and robustness thanks to its flexible cleaning probe. This probe can withstand direct successive changes of direction and can be easily pushed without kinking, making it suitable for use in a variety of situations. Additionally, the material used in the WDT250 is elastic enough to be used in the latest, tighter successive radii, ensuring that it meets the latest technical requirements. Number 4. The 3D Wheel Alignment Stand. Introducing the AutoTool XC503 3D Wheel Alignment Machine, a state-of-the-art tool for tire professionals. This machine is equipped with an industry-leading 4-wheel positioning optical system featuring a 5 mega industrial-grade HD lens and a camera to turntable distance of up to 59 to 110 inches, with a removable storage cabinet and a measurement system for full vehicle body dimensions. The AutoTool XC503 is a comprehensive solution for a wide range of measurements, including toe-in, camber, steering axle inclination, caster, thrust angle, track width diff, wheelbase, and wheelbase diff. Supporting over 100 car brands and 50,000 models, this tire machine also allows users to add their own models and features a built-in help system for quick vehicle adjustment plans. The AutoTool XC503 software is designed for simplicity and speed, with an expert mode that can save more than 30% time compared to ordinary wheel aligners. The measurement process is guided by voice synchronization and intelligent LED indication, and test data can be traced and printed with detailed parameters of the vehicle. This machine is capable of detecting tires in the range of 13 to 23 inches and can collect measurement data by simply pushing the vehicle backward a short distance of 8 to 12 centimeters, and can collect measurement data by simply pushing the vehicle backward a short distance of 8 to 12 centimeters. Offset compensation is performed through rolling with a short and adjustable rolling distance, and there's even a special function detection and accident vehicle measurement system. Make sure your tire work is always accurate and efficient with the AutoTool XC503. Number 5. The Wheel Slogger. Introducing the revolutionary Wheel Slogger, the ultimate solution for efficient tire changes. Whether you're a long hauler or operate vehicles across borders, the Wheel Slogger is perfect for ensuring that your tires are always at the correct torque specification. With this tool, you'll never have a problem undoing nuts when a tire change is needed, and you can quickly release damaged tires and reset the remaining tire to the proper torque. One of the standout features of the Wheel Slogger is its use of OEM-specified torque clips to control all torque settings, ensuring that no calibration is required even after years of use. Plus, each tool has its own individual data matrix barcode and identity number, making it easy to allocate tools to individual employees. The built-in footplate allows the system to be placed on any surface, and the extensive usage of the slogging hammer and Wheel Slogger has created diverse industry applications. By using the Wheel Slogger, you'll experience dramatically reduced downtime when fixing wheels, as the tool is quick and efficient. Make tire changes a breeze with the Wheel Slogger. Number 6. The Mini-Ductor Venom HP. Experience the ultimate power and safety with the Mini-Ductor Venom HP, the most advanced Mini-Ductor available. This portable induction heater allows you to easily remove seized nuts, bolts, bearings, fasteners, sensors, exterior trim, and more in seconds without the danger of an open flame. Whether you need to heat metallic objects near plastic components or release metal from corrosion and thread lock compounds, the Venom HP has you covered with its 1800 watts of power and ability to work up to 90% faster than traditional oxy-acetylene torches. Not only does the Mini-Ductor Venom HP save you time and reduce the need for expensive consumables, it also helps you salvage parts that might otherwise be discarded. Plus, with features like LED lighting and ergonomic grip and a fault override delay, it's the ultimate tool for any mechanic or technician. So why wait? Upgrade to the Venom HP today and enjoy the benefits of faster, safer, and more efficient work. Number 7. The Car Bench UL300. The UL300 is a small, bench-welded machine designed specifically for fast body collision repair. Made from high-quality cold, high-alloy rectangular tubes and built using advanced European technology, it's simple, practical, safe, and precise. The UL300 is perfect for light body collision repair, vehicle maintenance, and diagnosis, and it helps you work more efficiently and effectively. This bench features a vertical lifting system with a minimum height of 115 millimeters for easy car access and a maximum height of 1700 millimeters for use as a scissor lift. The lifting frame is controlled by an electronic hydraulic pump for convenient operation, and the flexible moving tower allows for quick fixing in a wide working area with durable pulling power. The UL300 also has 4 adjustable lifting arms that can rotate 180 degrees, making it suitable for lifting nearly any type of vehicle. Additionally, the adjustable heavy-duty main clamps are easy to install and remove, and the height of the crossbeam equipped with clamps can be adjusted by lifting up or down to secure the vehicle. All of these features make the UL300 the ideal choice for fast professional collision repair. Number 8. The Equalizer TSK710 Terminator. Introducing the Equalizer Terminator, the only automatic windshield repair system on the market. With minimal training required, the Terminator provides the freedom for technicians to walk away and focus on other tasks while the repair is in progress. How does it work? Simply select a program and let the Terminator handle the rest, alternating between pressure and vacuum cycles according to the repair selected. No need to stay glued to the repair, as the machine does all the work for you. So why waste time and energy on manual repairs when you can rely on the efficiency and convenience of the Equalizer Terminator? Try it out today and see the difference for yourself. Number 9. The Laser Tools CV Bootgun. Looking for the fastest and most efficient way to install flexible CV boots? Look no further than the Bootgun, the ultimate tool for the job. Designed and made in the UK, this powerful tool uses compressed air to stretch CV boots onto drive shafts with ease. With a diameter of up to 115 millimeters, the Bootgun is suitable for both outer and inner boots, and it can be used without dismantling the joint, saving you time and money. Using the Bootgun is simple. Just connect the air line, slide the boot onto the tool, expand the arms, push the boot into place, and remove the tool. It's the perfect tool for the professional workshop, and it allows for fast, clean boot installation every time. Number 10. The Febi Joint Play Tester. Introducing the Febi Joint Free Play Tester, the ultimate tool for diagnosing steering parts on the front and rear axle. This patented tester is ideal for fast and easy diagnosis, and is completely independent of energy sources, meaning you don't need electricity or compressed air to use it. Plus, it's completely noise-free, allowing you to test your suspension in a spring-deflected driving condition without any disruption. But that's not all. The Febi tester can simulate all driving situations, starting, braking, cornering, on the front and rear axles in the driving state, and it's suitable for all vehicles up to 3.5 T. You can even test wheels up to 20 inches in diameter using the claw. And best of all, you don't need a car lift to use it. The tester is designed for maximum mobility and maintenance-free use. Designed and developed by a master mechanic, this tester is the ultimate tool for reliable testing of all suspension parts, including ball joints, rubber to metal bearings, connecting rods, hydraulic bearings, strut bearings, and more. Try it out today and see the difference for yourself. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. And if you have any questions about these inventions or any other DIY projects, be sure to leave a comment down below. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the garage.